Sustainable hosting is quickly becoming an essential part of modern entertaining. As awareness around environmental issues grows, so does the desire to host gatherings that are both stylish and kind to the planet. It's not just about the food or decor. Your kitchenware choices play a significant role in reducing waste and supporting a more mindful lifestyle. Whether you're planning an intimate dinner party or a festive get-together, choosing the right eco-friendly items can make all the difference. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to host sustainably, including reusable and compostable tableware, beautiful serving pieces, smart cleaning solutions, and eco-conscious styling tips. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. To begin, let's explore what sustainable hosting really means. At its heart, it's about creating meaningful experiences while keeping environmental impact in check. This approach focuses on three main principles: reducing waste, reusing and repurposing existing items, and choosing ethical, long-lasting products that don't end up in landfills after a single use. Every detail matters, from how you set the table to how you clean up afterward. Kitchenware, in particular, is central to this philosophy. It touches every part of the experience: what guests eat off of, drink from, and what you use to prepare and serve the meal. Choosing sustainable kitchenware is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to turn your gathering into an eco-conscious celebration. When it comes to assembling your eco-friendly hosting toolkit, start with the basics: tableware. Instead of single-use plastic or paper plates, opt for compostable or reusable versions made from bamboo, ceramic, or glass. These not only reduce waste, but also elevate the look of your table. Cloth napkins and organic cotton table runners are perfect additions that add texture and elegance while cutting down on disposable waste. Next, think about your serveware. Serving trays made from wood or recycled glass are both functional and visually appealing. Ceramic bowls offer durability and timeless style, while bamboo or stainless steel salad servers provide a sustainable alternative to plastic utensils. These materials don't just look great, they're also built to last through many gatherings to come. Drinkware is another key area to consider. Instead of disposable cups, choose reusable glasses and tumblers that can be washed and brought out for every occasion. Stainless steel pitchers or glass dispensers offer a classy way to serve drinks while avoiding plastic jugs. For added charm and sustainability, use compostable straws or reusable ones made of stainless steel or bamboo. Don't overlook your cooking and serving tools either. Cast iron skillets and ceramic pans are ideal for stove-to-table dishes and offer a rustic yet refined look. Eco-friendly cheese boards and bamboo charcuterie sets are perfect for entertaining and make for a sustainable statement piece at any event. After the meal is done, cleanup and storage can also be done sustainably. Compostable sponges and refillable soap bottles are simple swaps that go a long way. And when storing leftovers, beeswax wraps and glass containers help you skip the plastic while keeping your food fresh. Every one of these items contributes to a hosting style that's both thoughtful and gentle on the planet. Now that your kitchenware is covered, it's time to bring your setup to life with styling that speaks to your values. Sustainable decorating doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. In fact, using seasonal greenery or foraged plants can give your table a fresh, organic feel without requiring store-bought decor. Thrifted or secondhand centerpieces can add charm and character, especially when mixed with pieces you already own. Mixing and matching reusable items creates a relaxed, curated look that feels personal and lived in. Lighting also plays a big role in the ambiance. Choose soy-based candles or solar-powered fairy lights to keep the mood cozy and inviting while staying eco-conscious. Every element of your decor can be both beautiful and responsible with just a little creativity. At the end of the day, sustainable hosting isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Each conscious decision you make, whether it's using cloth napkins or setting the table with secondhand plates, shows care not only for your guests, but for the planet as well. These thoughtful touches can spark conversations, inspire others, and turn your event into something truly meaningful. You're not just creating a gathering, you're creating memories that are beautiful, mindful, and lasting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video on conscious living. Let us know in the comments how you host sustainably or which item you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy eco-hosting from all of us at Kitchen to Entertain.